The most underrated leadership skill in security? Pattern recognition. And no, it's not just for analysts. In physical security, pattern recognition equals situational awareness. It's knowing when something's off, a door slightly ajar, a face that keeps reappearing, a shadow that doesn't belong. These details form a pattern. The best security leaders spot them before there's a problem. In cybersecurity, pattern recognition is how we identify malware signatures, threat actor behaviors, reused tactics, and compromised assets. Bad actors repeat themselves. Smart defenders recognize their MO early. In security architecture, pattern recognition helps us design around human error, technical failure, insider threats. Security is not just a stack of tools. It's a framework of patterns, engineered with foresight. Whether you're securing a building or a network, leadership means seeing the big picture and the repeating signals within it. You're not just protecting systems, you're anticipating what's next before it happens. Leadership in security architecture isn't just about fast responses, it's about pattern fluency. The most secure environments, they're not just locked down, they're built with awareness, insight, and pattern-driven design. What patterns are you seeing in your threat landscape lately? Drop a comment and let's share notes.